believe that investment in African startups is a very practical path to finding true and scalable solutions to our problems as a continent, and hopefully being able to export those solutions as global businesses to the wider world.
The opportunities to solve are really boundless. So there's huge opportunity, but we need to create the right support system for these founders to succeed and to put them on the stage that they belong.
This is really the bet that we're making, that we're going to be able to build valuable global companies from this part of the world. So we're going to work on really successful companies, which is our mission at Accelerate Africa. But we're also going to cultivate an ecosystem of VCs who are betting on us, what we call patient capital.
One thing I like is that it is run by Africans for Africa, solving African problems.
We focus on storytelling, team development, product development, go-to-market, and fundraising. So they had advisors across all of these different areas, really helping to go deep in their business and to help them move forward on particular challenges and problems that they were having.
They are providing a local view on those startups, and that this is a real pain and that people would actually benefit from the value that you create.
I think fundamentally us as Africans need to sort of support our own. So the inflow challenge should be sort of an African problem, which is not necessarily relying on global capital to come in, but looking at ways to enable African capital to sort of grow.
Where Africa is, we need to be in a place where we're solving problems that require us to build infrastructure. That way we can solve sustainably for the long term.
When we provide more value, right, I think it's just going to be normal that these investments will continue to flow. And I think that is something that Accelerate Africa really puts in us.
Nobody gives you the opportunity or hands you a check or hands you cloud credits or something that can enable you scale your business. So, and that's one of the benefits of Accelerate Africa. It's a fusion of that. And apart from mentorship, it's a fusion of being able to access funding and checks.
In the past, we've basically seen investments come out of Europe, come out of America, but there's also a strong need for investments to come out of Africa because this is primarily solving our problems first.
A lot of the startups that we have been able to bring startups that are focused on real local problems. These are problems that our people face every day, that they're familiar with. And we're building these companies to solve problems that investors locally are extremely familiar with. And that's why we believe that local investment is key.
And getting into Accelerate has been immensely wonderful for us, right? We now have what we call ultra focus, right? We know what we need, we know how to get there.
For scale, I would say that I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of Accelerate Africa. This is an accelerator program that's very local to us. We're Nigerians in this program, so they understand the cultural and then the local context. That's one of the benefits of being here.
I've been part of many programs around the world, but this one is far the best. In just 8 weeks of being in this program, I've opened many doors that will transform my life.
We have been accelerating. We see the road ahead of us, and we certainly could not have done it without Accelerate Africa.
I think I'm excited and I'm happy for what we are doing, to see that we are building that ecosystem for the African entrepreneurs building great business.